that's the kind of setting I'm used to. Like before, when I used to work, there was no individual. There wasn't like a one-man team. You're always assigned to someone or with a group to do your job. So I used to work in advertising, so that's why that's the nature of my work. So that's the setting I'm used to, and that's how I prefer working with people right now, even with my own business. So
Second question, what motivates you?
money.
3. What does success means to you?
Success is when people, at least for this business, when the word sulok or when this cafe becomes a household name, when people know where it is, and when the news about this cafe extends beyond the east side of NCR. Because right now I only cover until Antipolo now. So when the news about this cafe reaches up until like Manila area or south or in the far north, and when people know about me, when people know about this place and the advocacies, the beliefs that we have, then I would consider it to be successful. Oh, and of course, money. Financial. Yeah.
Question, how do you handle struggles in your life?
You face them directly. You do not handle them. You deal with them like on a daily basis. It becomes a norm for you to handle struggles in work. It's a normal thing, especially when you're in a business. You face problems, and if you do not have any problems, then you're not in a business. You always deal with problems, and you handle them by identifying the problem first, what caused the problem, and then you find a solution for that and see if the solution works or not. And then if it doesn't, you go back to the drawing board and you.
Last question, what were the important lessons you gained when facing those struggles?
Important lessons I gained. Actually, you cannot identify the lessons you learn when you're facing problems. You apply them directly. You realize that when you face another problem, when you're finished with one, and then you encounter another one, you know that you experience that your experience has taught you